Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Pinocchio on Dress to Impress. This is a longer tutorial, so let's get started. So I'm just going to make my walk faster for this. For the skin tone, I used this color. I think it was the third one from this, and I also saved it to my color wheel. Then for the makeup, I used just this blush. And then I literally didn't use anything else except for the eyebrows. I selected these eyebrows here, the very low ones, and the rest I used items to create. So for the eyes, I went to codes and I selected this headband. And then I used white and blue for the color of the headband. So the first one is white and then the second one is blue. For the accessory adjustment, I use these settings, so you can screenshot or you can listen to me kind of talk you through it. Y at 0.41, Z at 0.45 for the position, rotation, X at 0.10, and scale I did 0. Then for the pupils, I used these earrings. Why did I say necklace? These earrings in black, and for the adjustment, I did Y 0.53, Z at 0.33, and then scale at 0. Then for the nose, yes, you do need VIP for it. Unfortunately, I used the unicorn horn in my in this skin color, and I toggled it to the matte setting. For the adjustment, I did position at 0.44 for the Y axis, and for the Z axis, I did 0.53. For the rotation, I did X at 0 and Z at 0.57, and the scale I did at 0.33. For the smile, I used this mask that is outside of VIP here. So use this mask. For the first color, I think I did the skin tone, and then for the second one, I did black for the smile lines. For the accessory adjustment, I did Y-axis at 0.49, Z-axis at 0.40, and for the rotation, X at 0, and scale at 0.23. For the hat, I did make some minor adjustments. I also colored it this yellow. You can use any color that you want. For the accessory adjustment, I did Y at 0.47, Z at 0.41, rotation at X at 0.65, and scale at 0.42. Then for the headband, I colored it in this blue. And for the accessory adjustment, I did position at Y-axis 0.60, Z at 0.55, rotation X at 0.09, and scale at 0.46. And then this item is not adjustable. That's why I had to adjust it according to the feather headpiece. I just colored it all red. Then for the outfit, I used this item in color and I colored it white. Then I just added these suspenders that are here. This is from the code section. I added these suspenders. I did add these shorts. So the first color I did red, and then the second and third I did the same color as the headband. I also used these for the legs and the arms, these for the leg joints. So the robot set, and I colored it all the same skin color, and I used the matte toggle. For the top, I used this from Codes. I did shirt only, and I colored it yellow, the same as my hat, and then the blue first for the bow, and yellow for the rest. I also used this just for the mini kind of thing that Pinocchio has. I don't know if you see the reference picture. And then I used these boots, and I just colored it this brown that is already in the palette. And then I just use a white glove. And that is how you can create Pinocchio on Dress to Impress. It was a long one, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!